Hello, my name is Nur Ramadan. I'm from class 12 and 12 Multimedia 2. I gonna tell you about bullying from my statement. One person begins to bully another to gain power and control over that person. The has why do this is by looking for something unique about the person to hurt him physically and emotionally. For people who are victims of this bullying will become critical. There is strong desire to understand why they are being targeted and blame themselves. As a result, the person will change his uniqueness to avoid bullies. They will do anything to cover up something deep shame. This will affect behavior and the way you see yourself, which will have an impact on your physical and mental health. However, it's turned out that the bullying phenomenon is not only the difference that a person has. Research conducted on 100 people analyzed their experience is bullying. About 12% or 100 people admitted to having experienced bullying. Next, the research asked them intimate questions about their life, such as feeling of stress or trauma, domestic life, relationship, and how they felt about themselves. This question is given to all the participants to compare them with other participants who have never experienced bullying. The results were very surprising because they were different from the balance or from many people. Data show that people who bullying are more likely to experience stress or trauma in the past 5 years. They take stress out in different ways. Research also show that victims do not know how to positively stress. Meanwhile, 20% of people who admitting other people are men. Why? In global society, you might have heard that boys are not allowed to cry like girls. Boys should be weak like girls. This is behavior that's learned from the teaching of the society itself using the societal gender norms. Some people who experience bullying even believe that they should do this some to other people to feel immune. In addition, 1 in 3 people who bully come from a bad or self life. They are ejected from people who should experience their unconditional self-love, perhaps even violence. Other data reveals that many people bully because they feel insecure and comfortable with the relationship they are in. So, next time you have a problem with bullying, you can understand the reason properly. Thank you. See you later.